Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Kawasaki ZZR600 sport bike. This bike is in gorgeous shape, beautiful metallic red paint scheme, one owner. We're putting new tires on this. It's getting serviced in the service department. Awesome sounding, Two Brothers racing exhaust. Really sweet, comfortable sport bike. 4 cylinders, inline 4, 600, liquid cooled. Great commuter, great first bike. Something you're not going to trade out of right away. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. It's got that smoke screen, zero gravity. 2007, just $49.99. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check out how she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.